Yeah, did you bring Mr. Wimberly out?
Huh?
Did
Here,
you bring Wimberly out, or should he go?
Leave him out. Good morning. The 36th District Court in the state of Michigan is now in session. The Honorable Judge Marlena Taylor is now presiding. At this time, there will be no smoking, no talking, no chewing gum, no eating or drinking, no sleeping or laying down, no driving or riding in a motor vehicle. Place your device on mute until addressed by staff. Also, keep your device on a surface level so that your face may be seen. Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning. Dejan Wimberly.
here,
All right. Now calling the matter of people versus Dejan Wimberly. This is ticket number P1189702. This is one count drove while licensed, not valid or improper license. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Harry Boffman, P55052 for the defendant. Sir, your name?
Dejan Wimberly.
Thank you, Your Honor. The defendant is here, I believe, for a show cause. He inadvertently missed a previous court date. So for arraignment purposes, we're pleading not guilty, but the prosecutor has stipulated to dismiss the instant case, and I would stipulate the probable cause for that recommendation. Thank you.
All right. With that being said, the court is going to grant your request. I'm going to dismiss this matter without prejudice because he has complete, because the companion cases have been taken care of. All right. So you're all set, Mr. Wimberly. Happy New Year, okay?
Thank you. Happy New Year to you all.
All right. Thank you so much.
All right.
Caleb Williams.
Yes,
Caleb Williams.
here.
All right. Now calling the matter of the people versus Caleb Williams. This is ticket number P1313526. Count 1, failed to use seatbelt assembly system effectively. Count 2, drive while license revoked. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Harry Boffman for the defendant. Mr. Williams, state your full name for the record, please.
Caleb Williams.
Judge.
Mr. Williams, can I
Matters
see your
here for-
face, please? Hold on a minute. There we go, Mr. Williams. Thank you.
We're here
Okay,
for
sir.
pretrial, Judge. We'd like to adjourn this pretrial, please, and thank you. The reason being is that the defendant has currently a petition. He's already had a hearing for a reinstatement of his driving privileges. He's waiting on news from the Secretary of State, and we believe at the next pretrial date that he will be able to come back with a valid driver's license. So we're asking please to adjourn briefly. Thank you.
Well, my pre-trial dates aren't until March, so that should give you plenty of time, Mr. Williams, to hear back from them, okay?
All right.
March 3rd, March 6th, 2023, okay?
All right. Thank you.
8:30 a.m. via Zoom, okay?
You said what time?
8:30 a.m., March 6th.
March 6, 8:30 a.m. All right. Thank you.
I'll set your bond at $0 personal, okay?
All right. Sounds good. Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day, sir.
You too.
Okay, thank you. Marshall Williams.
Hello.
Hello. All right. You put that camera right nice in your face so I can see you sitting up and paying attention. There we go. Now calling the matters of people versus Marshall Williams. This is ticket P1210089, count 1, allowing an unlicensed driver to drive. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Also calling ticket number P1074527, count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Count 3, drive unregistered or untitled vehicle. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Harry Boffman for the defendant. Ma'am, state your name for the record.
Marshall Williams.
Thank you. We're here for an arraignment, so we will waive a more formal reading of any information and stand mute. We are requesting a waiver trial date by Zoom, please, and thank you.
She sure?
Oh, no. This matter
I
set for
have a
trial. Will move.
recommendation for dismissal based on payment of her
Yeah,
other
let's do
tickets she
that.
paid.
Stipulate to that recommendation for probable cause. Thank you.
Thank you. All right, Ms. Williams, they're gonna dismiss the other tickets because you paid that one ticket, okay?
Okay,
All right, you're all set, Ms. Williams. You can sign off now. Thank you.
thank you.
You ain't know about that, Attorney Baughman, but she has
No, I
said that.
didn't.
All right, so that one
I
is
missed
going to be, yep, she gave, it wasn't your fault. She gave you a 1 for 3 for 4. You're all
Nice.
set, Ms. Williams.
All right.
Ain't got no community services there.
Yeah. You need the water?
Mr. Christopher Tucson? Christopher Tucson? Yeah. Christopher Tucson? Mr. Tucson? All right, we'll try Raven.
Yeah, I'm here.
All right. All right, Mr. Tucson. Now calling the matter of the people versus Christopher Tucson. This is you ticket 593-22121. This is one count loud music from a motor vehicle. Today is the date and time set for a review in this matter. Mr. Tucson was to have done 20 hours of community service. It was adjourned from October the 5th, 2020. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Harry Boffman for the defendant. Sir, state your name, please. Sir, state your name, please.
Oh, Christopher Tucson, sorry.
That's okay. Judge, the defendant did 40 hours. He's presented proof of same to the probation department. I'm not sure if we can verify that, but if so, we'd ask, because this is a delayed sentence, that the matter be dismissed here today.
So the probation department doesn't have any of it. Do you still have the paperwork, Mr. Tucson?
So I'm waiting on a guy to send me the proof now. I emailed him this morning, so he should be getting back to me very soon.
When you say the guy, who is that?
The guy who was in charge of the whole organization, the nonprofit I went through.
Judge, can we adjourn for a couple of days so we can get this?
Yes.
Mr. Green?
No, he said he wait for the guy to send it to Friday.
You know, we don't have to. Defend. You go Thursday. Friday, you only have 8. Friday might not be like. Friday might be a big.
Yeah, Thursday, come back on Thursday, sir.
Okay, that's fine. That's fine. Thank you.
All right, I need to have all the stuff on Thursday, okay?
You will, Your Honor, you will.
All right, see you on
Okay.
January 5th, okay?
Okay, thank
Same
you.
time, 8:45. All right, thank you.
Okay, thank you.
All right. Bye-bye. Ms. Ware?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Now calling the matter of the people versus Raven Ware. This is ticket number P1314635, one count careless driving. Also calling ticket P1314664, failed to display a valid operator's license not on person. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please, first.
Good morning, Your Honor. Harry Boffman for the defendant. Ma'am, state your name, please.
Raven Ware.
Thank you. Judge, this matter's here for pretrial. We're asking that the matter be set for, both of these matters be set for a waiver trial by way of Zoom. The defendant's also been advised as to how to complete the better driver's course, and it is her intention to come back with a certificate, and we'll be pursuing some sort of resolution at that time. Waiver trial date by Zoom, please. Thank you.
All right, absolutely. Ms. Ware, if that's how you want to proceed, please raise your right hand for me. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, ma'am.
You can put your hand down, ma'am. Did you have a chance to talk to Attorney Baughman about your case and about your rights?
Yes, ma'am.
And it's my understanding you want to have a waiver trial. That's a bench trial before myself. I will be the trier and finder of facts. The officers will be asked to appear for that. And we can still work it out that day if you would like to. Okay, Ms. Ware?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, I'm gonna set that date for March 20th. March 20th, 9 a.m. via Zoom. Okay, say where you zoomed on today, zoom in that day, March 20th, 9 a.m. I'm gonna set your bond at $0 personal on all of these matters, okay?
Okay, I have a question.
Yes, ma'am.
Do I just, when I go online, like the same way, I just look for your name?
Yeah.
Okay,
You want the number?
Okay,
You
we'll
have
do.
the direct number if you want, so you can just go on the Zoom app. You want the number for the courtroom?
Yes, please.
360-337-0000.
Got it.
Okay? And then you can go
Yes,
right to
ma'am.
the Zoom app and put the number in and it'll bring you to my courtroom that day, okay?
Okay,
All right, thank you, Ms. Ware. You have a good day, okay?
you too. Thank you. Happy New Year, everybody. Thank you.
Happy New Year
Happy
too.
New Year.
Carolyn Wellman?
Yes.
Now calling the matters of the people versus Carolyn Wellman. This is Z ticket 808703. This is one count of operating with a high blood alcohol content. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Morning, Your Honor. Harry Bachman for the defendant. Ma'am, state your full name.
Carolyn Jane Wellman.
Judge, our plea this morning is not guilty, and we ask that the matter be set for a pretrial, please, and thank you.
All right, the court will set this for a pretrial. Let me see. All right, I'll set it for a pretrial on the date of March the 6th. Ma'am, I need you to try and get on the regular Zoom, okay? Because if we're gonna take a plea, I want to be able to see you, especially for a type of case like this, okay?
Okay, certainly. I didn't have any idea what I was doing.
I know this gives you plenty of time. It won't be until March 6th, 2023, 8:30 a.m. I'm gonna set your bond at $0 personal, but please, no driving unless you have that license, that paper license that they give you.
Yes, ma'am, I have it.
Okay, that's the only way to drive, and do not drink alcohol right now, ma'am, okay?
Oh, no, I haven't drank it at all.
All right, ma'am. All right, if there's nothing further, I'll see you back on March 6th, 2023. Try and see that's at 8:30 a.m. Try and see if someone can help you get on the actual Zoom app that day, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, Ms. Wellman, you have a good day.
Thank you. You as well.
You're welcome. Thank you.
Thanks, Mr. Bachman.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Princess Warren?
Yes, speaking.
Okay. All right. Now calling the matter of people versus Princess Warren. This is ticket P11-43579. One count driver's license never acquired. Ticket SP 11-43570, count 1, very course without signal or safe observation. Count 2 of that same ticket is no receipt of registration. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Harry Bachman for the defendant. State your name, please, Ms. Warren.
Princess Warren.
Thank you. Judge, the matter's here for pretrial, and we are confident that the defendant will come back in compliance in a major way. So would you adjourn this pretrial for a short period of time, please?
I'm trying to see, I gave her October 18th. You weren't able to get everything together by then?
Sorry.
Huh?
She's got a permit. She does not yet have a license, but it's coming.
Okay, the offer is 1 to 5. I don't know if it's gonna get better than that, but we can adjourn it, limited access.
We like it. I just don't want to derail what she's got going, and we would probably take that at the next action date, please.
All right, this is our last action date for pretrial, okay?
Okay,
I'll give you
understood.
until March 6th, 2023, okay, 8:30 a.m. At that time, that offer is probably still gonna be in the file, and then the attorney that day will discuss that with you, Ms. Warren. So, because one of the tickets is one that could potentially have some points, and so that will give you no points, okay?
Yes.
All right, but he wants you to get all your stuff together first, so I'm gonna listen to Attorney Baldwin and give you some more time, so we don't mess up what you got going on, okay?
Yes, I greatly appreciate it.
All right, you're welcome. Have a good day, ma'am.
Thank you as well.
Jason Zarowski,
Yes.
okay. Now calling the matter of the people. First is Jason Zarowski. This is U ticket 633-93622. This is one count of licensed operator do not permit or allow. It's a violation of the code for a semi-nude establishment. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Harry Bachman for the defendant. State your name, sir.
Jason Neil Zavosky.
John, there is a genuine material issue of fact. Would you set this for a waiver trial date by Zoom, please?
Sir, can you please raise your right hand for me?
Yes,
Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
I do.
You can
Yes.
put your hand down, sir.
All
Did you
right.
have a chance to talk to Attorney Baldwin about your case and about your rights?
Yes,
And it's my understanding you want to have a bench trial. That's a trial before myself as the trier and finder of facts in this matter, sir.
yes, please.
Okay, I'm gonna set it for a bench trial on the date of March 20th. March 20th, that's gonna be at 9 a.m. It's via Zoom, so the same way you came on today, sir, come on that day at 9 a.m., okay? I'll set your
All right.
bond at $0 personal, okay?
All right. Thank you, Judge.
You are very welcome. You have a good day, sir.
You too. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Next word is dismissal, right? Ashley Williams?
Yes, good morning.
Good morning. Now calling the matters of the people versus Ashley Denise Williams. This is ticket 744053. This is one count of supply false information or ID to police officer. Also calling you ticket 644-41122. This is one count of disorderly conduct, disobey the lawful orders of a police officer. It appears to be the same day too. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel.
Good morning, Your Honor. Harry Bachman on behalf of the defendant. Would you state your name, please, ma'am?
Ashley Williams.
Judge, the matter's here for trial. There's no complaining witness. Would you dismiss this case without prejudice today? Thank you.
Yes, the court is going to grant that. I'm going to dismiss this matter without prejudice, ma'am. And just for the record, I don't know why I want to put this on. It's the same, even though it's a U ticket and a ticket 744053, it appears to be the same date, location, and incident that it took place. Is that right, Ms. Williams? It was just one incident that took place?
Yes.
Okay. Looks like a disorderly conduct ticket as well as a supply false information. But the court is going to dismiss the court is going to grant your request to dismiss this matter without prejudice. They can refile this if they want to, Ms. Williams, but you're all set for today, okay?
Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day, okay?
You too.
All right. All right, Attorney Baldwin, you have the rest of the offers?
I was looking for an offer for Latonia Williams and for Makari Wheeler.
You should have one sent to you.
Okay, let me check my email.
It's a plea, the 2 counts dismissed. The rest of the counts, it sounds like.
Oh, I'm sorry, Miss Jensen sent me an email about.
Yeah, she sent you an email. We just got some of them, that's why. So go for the goal.
Yeah, I do have the rest.
Come
I
back
do
when
have the
you're
rest of the
ready.
offer. Okay,
Yep, okay.
I'll be back.
You're doing excellent. Thank you.
Miss William, thank you, Your Honor. I appreciate the sentiment. Miss William. I
Yes,
see you
I'm
there.
sorry. My phone had that. I really apologize.
It's okay. I have a recommendation from the prosecutor. Let me figure out what it is for you. Oh, Miss Williams, why don't you stay here? We're ready on Latonia Williams, Your Honor.
You waiting on me?
Just wait there.
Okay.
Williams, please leave your device on mute.
All right, we're gonna put her in the waiting room. She spoke to the attorney. We're gonna just wait until he comes back and he speaks to a few more people, okay?
Judge, is Anthony White someone you want to just call the courtroom?
Yes, ma'am. I'm sorry, ma'am. This phone been giving me trouble all this morning.
Okay, Mr. White, would you please activate your camera?
Okay, let me see, ma'am. Okay. Oh, man. What's wrong with this phone? My camera won't come on. Oh, my
That's all
God.
right. Just call the courtroom, Mr. White. You ready for the phone number?
Okay, can I see you now? Can you see me now, ma'am?
No, not yet.
I can see you.
I know, but something must be, let me see if I can help you a little bit, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Did I ask you to start your video now?
Yes, yes. Yes,
There you
ma'am.
go, Mr. White. All
Hi,
right, Mr.
ma'am.
White.
I'm
Hi,
sorry,
you're a little
ma'am.
late. I know, but you're a little late for court today, so I'm gonna have you call us so we can get you a new date, okay? You wanna take down the number?
Okay, hold on. Let me get my pen right now.
Yeah, get your pen. Tell me when you're ready, okay, Mr. White?
Okay, ma'am. Oh,
It's okay. Take your time, sir. Don't panic.
okay. Okay, ma'am, I'm ready.
You ready?
Yes, ma'am.
313
313
965
965
2293.
2293. Okay, I have it, ma'am.
All right, fantastic, okay?
Oh, yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
Okay,
All right, bye-bye.
bye-bye.
It's okay.
The person who's on the phone, last four digits, 1895. What's your name, please?
Michael Williams.
Michael Williams. Just one moment, Mr.
Yes.
Alone is mixed, but he led to 1568 years 1 month ago. For minutes, do 15 or more. Oh, that's 3 of 11.
Hey, Mr. Williams, what time was your case for today? Never mind, I
Oh,
found,
my,
yes, I have your case, you're on the docket, but Mr. Williams, write this phone number
Yeah.
down, call the courtroom.
I didn't understand.
Will you, write this phone number down for me so that you can call the courtroom?
You say do something to call a courtroom?
Yes, write down a phone number that I'm going to give you.
Yes. Okay.
313
313
965
965.
3
Hello?
965 2293.
2293 965, right?
Yes.
So call that and then re-enter the Zoom number again.
No, you're going to talk to the clerk. You're really late today, so that's why you need to call. The clerk will pick
Okay.
up. All right. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Mr. White, I'm gonna put
Yes,
you
ma'am.
into the waiting room, okay? All
Yes,
right?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
All right, Mr. Williams, you spoke to the attorney?
Yes,
All right, I'm gonna put you into the waiting room too, okay?
you said you still waiting on?
I'm gonna put you into the waiting room, and as soon as the attorney go off and he gets back out here, he's just talking to one more person. I'll take care of everybody. It won't be much longer, okay?
All right.
Okay, Your Honor, we are ready on the remainder of the cases. There's one person who is non-responsive. I think they're the last person left in the breakout room.
Did you talk to Dorothy Washington already?
No, Your Honor, I did not get an opportunity to speak to that individual.
She's in room number 16. And then room number
She
1 is
won't
the one you got in
respond.
trouble with. Oh, she won't respond? Okay. What about
No,
Wheeler?
16 more. If there's somebody in one, I'll go there now.
Yep, Mark Wheeler or something.
Okay. Mr. Wheeler is, he's a plea, Your Honor. We're ready.
All right, we're gonna start with Kim then, since he's out here.
No, Judge, I put him in the waiting room.
Oh, okay,
Back out.
okay. Mr. Wheeler?
Yes.
All right. Now calling the matter of the people versus Marquis Wheeler.
Makari.
This is ticket, it's what, Marcus?
No, Makari.
All right, thank you.
You're welcome.
This is ticket number P1327291, count 1. Registration and/or plate violation, count 2. No insurance misdemeanor, count 3. Drove while license not valid or improper license. Ticket number P1260370, count 1. Improper lane use, count 2. Drove while license suspended, count 3. Drive unregistered untitled vehicle. Ticket number P1312858, count 1. Drove while license suspended, count 2. Registration and/or plate violation. Tickets number SP12450491, drive unregistered or untitled vehicle. Count 2 of that same ticket is drove while license suspended. Ticket number SP12450481, speeding 21 to 25 miles over posted speed. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
May it please the court, Harry Bachman for the defendant. Sir, state your name, please.
Makari Wheeler.
Thank you, Judge. The defendant is going to hear now, waive any right for any further hearings or trials. He's going to plead guilty. He's doing so pursuant to a recommendation whereby there are a number of cases that will be dismissed. I'm stipulating the probable cause on his behalf to ratify this agreement. Thank you.
If that's the case, sir, will you please raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
You can put your hand down, sir. Did you have a chance to talk to the attorney, Mr. Bachman, about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty of your own free will?
Yes.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
And do you understand that by taking this guilty plea today, you're going to give up the rights that you had to have a bench or a jury trial in any of these matters on the record today?
Yes.
Understanding all of that, did you still want to move forward today?
Yes.
All right, sir. I'm going to take your attention first back to the date of October the 1st of 2021. At that time, were you driving a Nissan vehicle in the area of Grand River and Marina Street in the city of Detroit?
Yes.
And while you're driving that vehicle, and that's in the city of Detroit, is that correct, sir?
Yes.
And while you're driving that vehicle, was it unregistered or untitled at the time?
Yes.
All right. And counsel, will you stipulate that he was doing 6 to 10 miles over posted speed limit in that area?
Yes.
I know, I'm asking
Yes,
counsel. I
so
know.
stipulated. Thank you, yes. Right.
Thank you. Stipulation, are you satisfied with this factual basis today?
That's right, thank you.
It's okay, Mr. Wheeler, you hold tight for a second.
All
Stipulation
right.
for probable cause on the remaining counts to be dismissed, Attorney Baldwin?
Yes, so stipulated. Thank you.
All right, so at this time, the court's gonna enter a plea to the amended charge of improper plate, the amended charge of 6 to 10 miles over posted speed. The remaining tickets called on this record today will be dismissed. Sir, you on Grand River doing 67 miles per hour? That's almost 70 miles per hour.
Man, it was the cop, man. He was just being extra. I wasn't going that fast. He just was on some bull.
Okay. It's my neighborhood, so we ain't doing Ferrari or Jaguar down the road, flipping back and forth,
All right.
okay?
All right.
All right, so the speeding ticket is $135. Typically, you have 14 days to pay that. That will put us at the date of, I see it somewhere, January 17th. Is that gonna be enough time for you to pay that ticket?
Yes.
All right, so I have that due January 17th, 2023. Now, sir, you have several tickets that are called within default, okay, from 2016. I'm not taking those out, and you gotta pay all those tickets.
You say I gotta pay all those 16 tickets?
I mean, they old tickets, you ain't come to court, so they just went into default status.
I mean, I could pay them online still, right?
Yeah. That's about $1,200. I'm telling you that.
About 1,200 is that?
For those tickets, because you had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tickets you didn't pay from back then, okay?
All right.
Right?
Well, he has some up under, he had the rest up under 830. You got one up under 830 and then the rest up under
But
830.
these are ones on the sheet. We didn't print them out, they just.
Oh, yeah, no.
Okay, all right. So what I'm going to do is, since you owe all that money. No, you did. That's 9 tickets. All right, I'm gonna waive the cost and fines on the other ticket, okay? Because you gotta pay those other tickets, but pay them all.
Thank you.
All right.
Okay, Mr. Wheeler, so go online, look up your name and your information, and you'll see all the other tickets that you need to take care of as well, okay?
All right.
All right, all right. If you have reinstatement fees, that's extra too, but don't worry, unless those are affecting you getting your driver's license back, okay?
Yeah, it is.
I know, so go on, take care of all of this. That's why I try not to hurt you too bad. So take care of all of this so you can get your license back, okay?
All right. Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
You too.
All right.
Your Honor, may I have 2 minutes?
Can I,
Yes.
can I
You can line
talk?
up. Yep, you can leave, Mr. Wheeler. I called somebody out. It's okay. Just leave him here.
But he had left.
Yeah, he just came in. Officer Harper,
Yes, Your Honor.
Officer Harper, I said your name so terribly wrong.
It's okay.
You keep checking back in. I appreciate you. She didn't show up, so you're all set. We'll just do a capious on her, okay?
All right. Thank you very much, Your Honor. You and your staff have a great
Thank you
day.
very much. All right, you too. Thank you. Stay safe.
Right?
Yes.
Is there a reason you left the breakout room or the waiting room? You were here before.
No, my phone did this 2 months ago. I don't know what's wrong with this phone. Now I can't even see you.
Were you in the waiting room or the breakout room? Have you talked to an attorney?
No, I haven't talked to no one.
He was in the breakout room. I'll hand you to Mr. White. I know you're having a lot of issues with your phone today, okay? Just be patient. I'm gonna call you next when Mr. Hoffman gets a chance, okay? We'll get you out of here.
Okay, is it when it blocks out, that means you still got me, right?
I still got you. So it's just gonna be quiet for a moment and then you'll hear us talking to you again. So just be patient, okay, Mr. White?
Yes, ma'am.
All right.
Hey, Mary? Or Stacy?
Hey, Sandy.
Hey, I'm gonna step away from the computer for about 3 minutes, okay?
Okay, that's fine.
All right.
Okay.
Madam Clerk?
You ready, Attorney Kaufman?
Yes, Your Honor. Thank you very much. There was one individual, Ms. Washington. She is not responsive. As for Mr. Wright, we're ready, and we're ready on the remaining cases as well.
All right, Ms. Sandy, did you make it back yet?
Judge,
Okay, cool. All right.
Miss
Devin, huh?
Ms. Washington, Dorothy Washington, the one Mr. Bachman said was not responsive, appeared in the courtroom, and I put her in the waiting room, so that's where she is.
Okay, all right, we'll get to her. All right, Devin Wright, can you activate your camera, please, for me, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
Now calling the matter of People versus Devin Wright. This is ticket number P 1315775. Count 1, expired plates. Count 2, no receipt of or unsigned registration. Ticket P 1315794. 1 count drive unregistered or untitled vehicle. And ticket number P 1315771. Count 1, improper plates. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Count 3, driver's license expired. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Record, Harry Goffin for the defendant. State your name, please.
Devon Wright.
Thank you, Mr. Wright. Judge, this matter is here for pretrial. The defendant is brought to bear several documents. Amongst them are a registration that we are asking for an adjournment so that the prosecutor might be able to verify the documents that he sent in today. So could he come back as soon as possible?
Yes, he's also trying to get his license too, isn't that right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, yes, yes.
Trying to verify his license. Okay. So I don't have any quick dates. My date is March 6th. Is that gonna be enough time for you to get everything together, sir?
Yeah.
March 6th, 2023, 8:30 a.m. I'm gonna set your bond at $0 personal on these matters, okay?
Okay.
All right, have a good day, sir.
You too. You have a blessed one. Thank you.
Thank you. iPhone on the screen, what's your name? Hello,
Hello,
what's your name?
Dorothy Washington.
George, oh, they were trying to talk to you. Miss
I-
Washington, have you taken, huh?
I've been in the-
the.
What you say again, Judge?
I said, this is my only question I have for you, Miss Washington. Did you make all the payments you needed to make?
No, not all of them.
Miss Washington, how long we gonna drag this out?
I just need like 2 more months. That's it. I just need 2 more months.
Washington. It's been going on for like a year and a half.
I know, but it's been so much that's been going on, Judge. My mom just passed, and I had to get everything situated with her house, and her getting everything out of her house, getting everything situated with my dad and everything. So I've been kind of busy with helping him.
How much have you paid? Let me ask that. I'm sorry, Miss Attorney Baldwin, I got this one. I'm gonna just talk to her for a second. How much have you paid, Miss Washington?
I don't even remember because I'm not at home right now. I don't have my receipts in front of me.
One second. There's nothing. You want different day? You want for her on the Thursday? Or you want to? Are you? Remember the 19th? The one now? Oh. Oh, okay. All right, this is your last time. Come back on March 16th, okay? Ms. Washington, if you don't, we just gonna have to take care of all your tickets, and it's just gonna be what it is, okay? Unmute yourself.
This can you send me the ones that I mean the ones
Miss Washington, my clerk already did that, and you have so many of them. You have to stay organized. Ms. Washington, we can't keep going through and giving you all the tickets that you had over and over again. You gotta figure something out. I don't know what we're gonna figure out, but you gotta stay organized for this because you have all these reinstatement fees to pay, 25 of them. And so we tried to give you all the tickets and everything that you needed. And so if you make time to come down here, we'll run a sheet down so that you can be able to see them. But Ms. Washington, she said she already did this for you. Huh? It's real low for some reason. I can't hear you.
My phone is broke, but I said I'll just come down there today.
Okay. All right. I will see you this afternoon, Ms. Washington. Okay.
Okay.
All right. Taronda Moore. Taronda Moore. Tyron Williams.
Yes.
All right. Now calling the matter of the people versus Tyron Williams. This is ticket number P1149463. Count 1, no insurance misdemeanor. Count 2, drive unregistered or untitled vehicle. Count 3, improper plates. Ticket number P1204072, disregard traffic control device. Ticket number P1205273. Count 1, drive unregistered untitled vehicle. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. And ticket P1210676. 1 count improper plates. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Okay, please support, Your Honor. Harry Baughman on behalf of the defendant. Ma'am, please state your name.
He's talking to you, sir. I'm sorry, sir. Mr. Williams, state your name.
Tyron Williams.
All right. How are we proceeding today?
Judge, there's a plea agreement. The defendant did send some valid documentation in. There is one remaining case, a disregarding traffic control device. The defendant pleads guilty to that here. The charge will be reduced to improper plates. He's going to waive rights and plead responsible to that charge here today.
All right,
Thank you.
sir. All right. Reading from the ticket to establish a factual basis that on the date of June 21st, 2021, in the area of Whittier and Lake Point in the city of Detroit, Mr. Williams was driving a Ford vehicle and did do speed 1 to 5 miles over posted speed. Satisfied, counsel?
I am satisfied. So stipulated. Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you so much. So at this time, the court is going to do a plea of responsible to the amended charge of 1 to 5 over. The remaining counts called on this record today will be dismissed. Sir, the fine for 1 to 5 over is $125. Typically, you have 14 days to be able to pay that. Is that enough time for you today?
You said I gotta pay $125?
$125. That's right, sir.
Okay, what's that for?
That's for the speeding ticket. It's for the disregard traffic control device, sir.
And everything else dismissed, right?
That's correct, sir.
No warrants?
There's no warrants out.
All right. Did I have warrants before?
I don't know, Mr. Williams. I'm asking you about a payment and you asking me about warrants. I asked if you could pay the $125 in 14 days,
yeah.
and you want to know if it's some warrants out. It shouldn't be any warrants out anymore because you came and took care of these matters. But I don't know. You do owe some money on some tickets, but you got to go online and figure that out. Those are from 2011 that went into disposition. I don't have nothing to do with that.
2011?
Yes.
That's the 125, right?
No. No.
All right.
All right. How long? You have 14 days to pay it. Is that enough time, sir?
Yeah.
Okay, it's due on January 17th, 2023. Okay, sir?
Hold on.
Okay.
So I got another court date?
No, you just have to make the payment by that time.
All right.
We took care of all your matters today, so you should be
You said
good.
January 17th, right?
Yes.
125. All right, where do I pay it at?
You can either go online to 36districtcourt.org or you can physically come down to the court and pay it.
All right.
All right, sir?
All right.
All right. Okay, you all said, Mr. Williams, have a good day.
All right, you too.
All right. Ms. Moore? Yeah, I remember you in the courtroom, okay? All this walking around. YouTube just saw you walking all around casually and everything. You got to be mindful of that. You need to put the drink down while you're in the session, okay?
Okay.
All right. Now calling the matter of the people versus Taronda Moore. This is ticket number SP 1252514. Count 1, open alcohol in a motor vehicle passenger. Count 3 of that same ticket is supply false information and or ID to police officers. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
May it please the court, Harry Baughman for the defendant. State your name, Ms. Moore.
Ms. Moore?
Ms. Moore, can you state your name, please?
I could barely understand y'all. What y'all say?
Your name, please.
Oh, Taronda Moore.
Thank you, Judge. Our plea is not guilty. We ask that the matter be set for a waiver trial by Zoom, please.
All right. This is arraignment on the bench warrant. You want to arraign her on the bench warrant first?
We're not guilty for that purpose. Thank you, Your Honor.
So at this time, the court's going to enter a not guilty plea on behalf of your client. Ms. Moore, please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
You can put your hand down. Ms. Moore, did you have a chance to talk to an attorney about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
And it's my understanding you want to have a bench trial. That's a trial before myself as the trier and finder of facts. Is that how you want to move forward, ma'am?
Yes.
All right. So I'm going to put this on the date of March 20th. Write that down. March 20th. That's going to be at 9 a.m. It is via Zoom. So the same way you came in today, come in that day. I'm going to set your bond at $0 personal, okay?
Okay.
All right, ma'am. If there's nothing further, you're all set, okay?
Okay.
All right, we'll see you then, ma'am. Christopher Webb?
Yes.
Now calling the matters of the people versus Christopher Webb.
How you doing, Your Honor?
I'm good, thank you. That's ticket number P 1309818. Count 1, improper plate. Count 2, drove while license not valid or improper license. Count 3, drive unregistered untitled vehicle. Ticket P 1309822, no proof of insurance. Ticket P 1284225, 1 count 11 to 15 miles over posted speed. Count 2, no proof of insurance. Ticket number 296827, 1 count open intoxicants passenger. Ticket number P 1328981, count 1, no insurance misdemeanor. Count 2, drive unregistered or untitled vehicle. Count 3, open alcohol and motor vehicle driver. Ticket number P 1284231, 1 count drove while license not valid or improper license. Ticket number P 1329003, 1 count loud music from motor vehicle more than 10 feet away. Count 2, driver's license never acquired. Ticket number SP 1309881, improper plate. SP 130988183, drive unregistered or untitled vehicle. Count 2 of that same ticket is drove while license not valid. Ticket number SP 1145362, count 1, disregard traffic control device. Count 2 of that ticket is violation of the basic speed law or drove in an unsafe manner. Ticket number SP 1309822, count 1, no proof of insurance. Ticket SP 1145363, failed to stop for a stop sign. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Harry Baughman for the defendant. State your name, please, sir.
Christopher Seth Webb.
Judge, these are matters set for trial. There's no complaining witnesses. Please consider here a motion to dismiss without prejudice. Thank you.
Hampton showed up.
So,
Hampton.
is he here now?
No, Mr. Baughman.
Is he on call?
Back?
No,
Yes,
of course I
I'm gonna
don't.
give him a call.
If we can, is there an offer, Your Honor?
It is. The offer for that ticket is that if he will plead 1 to 5 miles over, as
Mhm.
well as expired plates for the other, they're both tickets of responsible.
Okay. Sir, you can get all these matters dismissed if you are willing to admit responsibility to 1 count of the speeding that will be reduced to a 0-point offense. and to expired plates was just 0 points and probably the smallest fine that we assessed. Are you willing to do that here today?
Yes.
We're going to waive rights here today, Your Honor. I would stipulate to the complaints, the allegations on the complaint for the purposes of the plea here, and I stipulate to probable cause as to any matters being dismissed. Thank you.
All right, so reading from the ticket to establish a factual basis that on the date of November 27th of 2021, in the area of Schaefer and Chippewa in the city of Detroit, Mr. Webb was driving a Chevy vehicle and did exceed the speed limit doing 1 to 5 miles over posted speed, as well as failed to have had expired plates. All right, satisfied, counsel?
Satisfied. Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, stipulation for probable cause and the remaining counts has already been made. So at this time, those officers actually didn't show up. So we're going to dismiss those other cases without prejudice because officers didn't appear. But this ticket, sir, they say that the stationary radar clocked you at 53 miles per hour on Schaefer. Slow down. That's entirely too fast. That's a residential area. It's not a residential street because you weren't on one of the side streets. But you need to slow down. That's too fast on those streets, okay?
Yes.
All right. The fine for the speeding ticket is $125. The fine for the expired plates is $145, I believe. Yep. So we got a total, sir. $270. Typically, you have 14 days to be able to pay civil infractions. Is that gonna be enough time for you, sir?
14. Can you at least give me 30 days?
Yes. I can give you until February 3rd. Is that enough time?
Yes. When you say 270?
270. February 3rd, 2023 is when it's due, okay?
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome, okay? You writing it down?
Yes.
Okay, 270, February 3rd.
Okay, yes, I have it.
All right, sir. You have a great day, okay?
You too.
All right. D'Angelo Wallace? Mr. Wallace?
Yes, yes.
Now calling the matter of the people versus D'Angelo Wallace. This is ticket number P1222801, count 1, unregistered or untitled motor vehicle. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Count 3, drove while license not valid or improper license. Also calling ticket number SP1362705, count 1, alcohol in a motor vehicle driver.
Okay.
Count 2, drove while license suspended. Count 3, drive unregistered or untitled vehicle. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
May it please the court, Harry Baughman on behalf of the defendant. Sir, please state your name for the record.
D'Angelo Wallace.
Thank you, Judge.
Mr. Wallace, I need you to take your
Our
hat
plea
off
today is not.
I'm sorry, Your Honor. I'm actually at work. I'm trying to go somewhere
Not
quiet. I'm
guilty,
on my way
Judge.
to my car.
He froze. What are we doing, Attorney Baughman, just so I can know?
We're asking for a waiver trial date by Zoom, please.
One more waiting. Mr. Wheatley, you're not on my docket for today. I need you to call the courtroom.
Oh, wait a minute.
No, is it?
Okay. Oh, yeah. 8:45.
Oh, no, you can forget it. It's 11:54 a.m. But I'll say my, in the new year.
What is that?
I can't take it. I'm putting him in the waiting room. Mr. Wallace, can you hear us?
Yes, Your Honor. Yes.
All right, you frozen. I don't know why. Can you raise your right hand though? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth? All right. Here we go. Mr. Wallace, can you hear us?
Yeah.
Okay, wherever you move to has terrible reception, just so you know. You went from a place of goodness to a place of, I can't hear you. Nor can I see you. I don't know where you went.
Hello?
Hello? Can you hear us?
Yeah, I can hear you, but I can't see you.
Yeah, because your internet service just went terrible. All right, I'm gonna set this for. Right there.
I'm a bit nervous about this. Mr. Whitley. You're on mute, Mr. Whitley.
You hear me now, ma'am?
Yes, I'm gonna need you to call the courtroom.
Call it.
965, yes, call the courtroom right now. 965.
Hold on, ma'am. Yes. 965.
2293.
313 area code.
Yes.
Okay. 313. Hold on.
313-965-2293.
Williams, you're gonna have to get someplace quiet, okay? I know you may have some kids in the background.
What I'm supposed to do now?
Log off. You are 3
All right.
hours late, Mr. Whitley. You can go ahead and call the courtroom.
Okay.
All right. Mr. Wallace, are you back?
Yes, I'm back.
All right, we're gonna set this matter for a bench trial on the date of March 20th. March 20th at 9 p.m., okay? March 20th at 9 p.m. I mean 9 a.m. I'm sorry.
9 a.m.
9 a.m.
Okay.
9 a.m. via Zoom. Sign back on. Your bond's gonna be $0 personal, okay? Make sure you have some time that day though, okay?
You said March 20th, right?
March 20th, write it down. March 20th, 9 a.m., okay?
Okay.
All right, thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right. Ms. Williams, I'm gonna call you, so come back.
Yes.
All right. Now calling the matter of the people. It's okay. Is it Latona? Say your name for me, your first name.
Latonia.
Okay, all right. Now calling the matter of the people versus Latonia Williams. This is ticket number P1287868. Count 1, no proof of insurance. Count 2, registration and or plate violation. Count 3, defective brake light. Ticket number P1227278. Count 1, drove while license not valid or improper license. Count 2, improper plates. Count 3, no insurance misdemeanor. Ticket number P1308435. Count 1, drive while license suspended. Count 2, drive unregistered or untitled vehicle. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Morning, Bachman for the defendant. State your name, please, ma'am.
Latonia Williams.
Thank you, Judge. There's a stipulation or an agreement to dismiss the instant cases for some paid civil infractions. I would stipulate the probable cause for that recommendation here.
All right. With that being said, the court is going to grant a request. I'm going to dismiss these matters without prejudice because she paid on some of these civil infractions, okay? I don't see which ones though.
Yes, Your Honor.
Hmm?
Okay. Hold on 1 second.
No, I checked these off though. If she pleads to these, she dismisses. If she pleads to them, she dismisses them. You can't call it, she dismisses.
Hold on a second, Ms. Williams, because this, I don't know what this offer is. Unless Attorney Balkman had a conversation with her that I didn't know about.
You talking about with me?
Yes, for you, Ms. Williams, hold tight, okay?
Okay.
When you're- Ms. Williams? Latanya? Latina? Ms. Williams? Attorney Baldwin? Attorney Baldwin?
I can hear you now. I'm sorry. I was trying to, my screen was frozen up. I'm sorry.
It's okay, Ms. Williams. Ms. Williams, are you trying to get any of these documents in place or anything like that? No?
So I had forgot a letter in the mail from y'all saying that this paper say 45 days to pay something, the $45 for the fine, I guess, or something. And then it was It said my license was suspended until the 21st of December, 20. Let me make sure. Let me get the paper. Hold on a second. Be quiet. Yeah, it says for this year that I could try to get my license back now. So I'm working on trying to get my license right now, but every time I go to Secretary of State, they say I have to go to court first because it's a block on it.
Yeah, because you probably need to take care of these matters first. That's what I was trying to figure out.
Cause like I've been trying to like take care of my tickets and stuff, but they always say something about my stuff and I have to wait till court.
Mhm. Did you have insurance now?
I don't have no car at all, nothing. Only thing I have to my name is a house that I just got, and that's it.
All right, I'm trying to get you an offer so that we could be able to take care of this. 'Cause right now, what I'm seeing on the paper, it doesn't make any sense, so I'm trying to figure it out.
Cause I do have insurance now, but I just don't got like no car insurance.
All right, I get it, but we gotta figure something
I
out.
just got house insurance.
Which is excellent. Good job, Ms. Williams.
Huh?
Okay, just hold tight, okay, for one more minute.
Okay. Cause I could at least try to make some payments.
I know, we're gonna try and figure this out for you, okay, Ms. Williams, just put yourself on mute. I know you got little ones there with you, so just.
Okay.
Okay. Oh, wait, I think this her calling back. Let me see.
Ms. Williams, come back. Attorney Baldwin?
Yes.
Attorney Baldwin?
Is I'm who?
No, nothing, Ms. Williams. I'm trying to get your case card.
Oh.
All right, recalling the matter of People versus Latanya Williams. These are tickets P 1287868. One count, no proof of insurance. Count 2, registration and or plate violation. Count 3, defective brake light. Ticket P 1227278. Count 1, drove while license not valid or improper license. Count 2, improper plates. Count 3, no insurance misdemeanor. Ticket number P 1308435. Count 1, drove while license suspended. Count 2, drive unregistered or untitled vehicle. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please. Ms. Williams, can you state your name for the record?
Oh, Latanya Williams.
All right, Ms. Williams, you talked to Attorney Baldwin today, didn't you, about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
All right, so here's what's gonna happen. You have a ticket that has 3 civil infractions on it. You need to pay those civil infraction tickets, okay? It's ticket number, I'm gonna give it to you. It's P12. You got something to write this down with?
Hold on. Mind your business. Okay, I'm ready.
All right, it's ticket P1287888.
You said P12.
87888.
Okay.
87868. Oh, it's 7868. I'm sorry.
Okay, so 768.
Yep.
768. Okay, I got that one.
All right. You need to pay this ticket, okay? Pay that ticket off in its entirety. And then the remaining tickets are going to be dismissed today, okay?
Okay, I will. And how much do it say I have to pay off?
Well, right now, before we take off some late fees, because it was earlier this past year, so I might take off the late fees. That's 288 plus 204. All right, before the late fees is $636, but I'll take off the late fees. It'll get down a little bit, okay? I know.
Okay.
I know. Take your time. This is what
It's
happens.
like, see, that 600, like that's damn near like my rent and insurance and DT,
I know. So how about this, Miss Williams? I know you need your license back. You can pay one ticket at a time back, okay? One ticket at a time. Okay. And that way, by the time you finish paying them, because I'm not gonna give you a time limit, then you can work on trying to get your license back, okay? You may have a ticket you need to pay a reinstatement fee on that will help you get it a little quicker. When you go to the Secretary of State's office, ask them what ticket needs to be paid, the reinstatement fee ticket, and they'll tell you, and you can pay that little $45 and then apply for your license, okay? And then
okay,
work on getting it down.
so when I pay for the $45 at 36 dishes, then I can go to Secretary of State and do my license over now.
That's right. And then take your time paying these other tickets back, but pay them back, okay?
I will.
All right, Ms. Williams, thank you for your patience today, okay?
Thank you, and y'all have a blessed day and a good New Year's.
You too, Ms. Williams. I pray that over your life, okay?
I do too.
I know you got it, Ms. Williams. It sounds like you're moving in the right direction, so just keep moving that way, okay?
Yes, I will.
Okay, all right, Ms. Williams, you have a great day, okay?
Y'all too. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. All right. I got one more matter, Attorney Baldwin. All right.
I'm sorry, I thought that was the last one. Forgive
I
me.
know, he signed off. He's been having internet issues, but I'm gonna call this case because he's been trying.
Okay.
Now calling the matter of People versus Anthony White. This is ticket P 1329917. Count 1, driver's license never acquired. Count 2, disregard signal red or amber. Today is the date and time set for a bench trial. May I have your appearance for the record, please, Attorney Bachman?
Good morning, Your Honor. Harry Bachman for the defendant.
And Mr. Anthony White called in, however it be late. He called into the court, and then he's been having some connectivity issues today. He's called the court a couple of times trying to get it on and off. Officer Hunt did not appear. Do you have a motion?
I move to dismiss. I weigh the defendant's present, being that the case would be dismissed here today. I'm sure he wouldn't have any objection to that. So I move for the dismissal and would thank you, Your Honor.
All right. So at this time, the court is going to grant your request. I'm going to dismiss this matter without prejudice. Thank you so much, Attorney Bachman. We're all set for the morning docket.
Thank you. I'll see you at 1:30. I'll be back.
All right. Thank you.